Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty. To begin, select a game from the vast series that appeals to you. Many players start with a recent title for its updated mechanics. Next, complete the in-game tutorial to grasp the fundamental controls and movement. This will help you understand aiming, shooting, and navigating the maps effectively. Familiarize yourself with the user interface before jumping into your first match. For a structured story experience, consider playing the campaigns in their release order within each sub-series. The Modern Warfare games offer a continuous, gritty narrative. Alternatively, the Black Ops series provides a distinct, often more covert, storyline. You can also explore the original Call of Duty titles for a historical perspective on the franchise's roots. Each series delivers a unique and engaging single-player journey. Once you're comfortable with the basics, dive into multiplayer to test your skills against other players. Focus on learning the various map layouts and understanding objective points. Experiment with different weapon classes and attachments to find what suits your playstyle best. Practice improving your aim and tactical positioning to gain an advantage. Completing daily challenges is a great way to earn experience points and unlock new gear. To elevate your gameplay, master the use of perks and kill streaks, deploying them strategically during matches. Effective communication with your team, especially in objective-based modes, is crucial for victory. Watching professional players can provide valuable insights into advanced strategies and map awareness. Finally, engage with the Call of Duty community online to share tips, find teammates, and enhance your overall experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.